Okay. Half of the year is almost gone. Do you know where your money went? If you are running a business without reviewing your numbers, you are flying blind. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you how to take back control with a simple step-by-step mid-year financial review that any small business owner can do. Hello and welcome, business builders. I am Popoola from Taisha Associates, and today we are diving into something that can literally save your business from financial stress: a mid-year financial review. Whether you are a freelancer, a techie startup, an educational institution, a shop owner, a service provider, or even a manufacturer, now is the perfect time to pause and check how your business is really doing before the second half of the year rushes in. Grab your notepad. You are about to learn smart bookkeeping. You are about to learn how smart bookkeeping helps you take control, make informed decisions, and grow sustainably. Let's start with the why. A mid-year review helps you do the following: track if you are meeting your goals, identify what is draining your cash, catch financial blind spots before they hurt, and of course, plan smarter for the rest of the year. Think of it as a financial health checkup. If you don't do it, you are just guessing your way through, and that's dangerous. Before you can review, you need organized records. This is where bookkeeping comes in. Here is what you will need: your income and expense reports, January to June, bank statements and reconciliations, your balance sheet, assets, liabilities, and equity. Of course, balance sheet is the same as a statement of financial position. Your profit and loss statement, your income statement. Of course, tax payments and obligations so far. If your records aren't up to date, this is your sign to fix that now, because bad data equals bad decisions. And I want to tell you, if you stay through to the end, we have a gift for you: mid-year review checklist. Now, here is a simple 5-step process you can follow in carrying out your mid-year review. Step number 1: review revenue trends. Are your sales increasing, steady, or dropping? What's driving growth or decline? Look at your top performing products or services. Step number 2: check expenses. Where is your money going? Are there subscriptions, rent, logistics, or staff costs you can trim? Step 3: analyze profit margins. Are you pricing right? Are your profits where they should be after covering costs? Step 4: review cash flow. Do you have enough to cover the next 3 months? Cash flow is the lifeblood. Even profitable businesses can fail if they run out of cash. Step 5, which is the last one in this segment: compare budget against actuals. Compare budget versus actuals. What did you plan in January? What actually happened? Learn from it. Adjust your goals or strategy accordingly. Now, let's plan forward. Based on your review, Set monthly revenue targets. Plan your tax savings early. Tighten expense controls, and maybe even adjust your pricing on or offerings. And most importantly, update your bookkeeping system. Whether whichever software you are using, or peradventure you hire a pro who is constantly tracking your records for you, and that is your superpower. Consistent tracking is your superpower. So to recap, a media review gives you clarity. It protects your business, helps you correct your costs, and boosts your confidence moving forward. Is your business on track financially? The year is halfway through, and now is the perfect time to hit pause and perform a mid-year financial review. In this video, Popoola is my name from Taisha Associates. I've walked you through a step-by-step process. So review your income and expenses, analyze your cash flow and profits, set new financial goals for the rest of the year. Use bookkeeping to make smarter business decisions. So whether you are a freelancer, retailer, service provider, or you run a small manufacturing business, this video will show you how proper record keeping can transform your financial clarity and peace of mind. And at this stage, I want you to go to the comment section and download the free media review checklist there. You will see it there. So if this video has given you an insightful thought over running your business, I want to say that you just follow us. Peradventure you are coming across Taisha Associates for the first time. And also, I want you to like this video, share it to fellow business owners and entrepreneurs like you. And of course, if you are watching it on YouTube, do not hesitate to subscribe to our channel. And of course, click the bell so that you can be notified for our next video. If you need help organizing your finances, book a free consultation. We are available for you. Let me know if you like a version of this for Instagram Reels or Facebook Shorts, or if you like me to generate the YouTube thumbnail test ideas as well. And guess what? Like I said earlier, we prepared a free media financial review checklist to help you get started. Just click the link in the description or type review in the comment section and we send it to you. And if you need help organizing your books or understanding your numbers, that's what we do every day at Taisha Associates. Send us a message and let's help you stay on top of your instances, or stay on top of your finances. Thanks for watching. Don't forget once more to like, share, or tag a fellow business owner. Your business deserves clarity, and it starts with your numbers. Until I come your way next time, I say peace and cheers to you.